Welcome to the new session of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Jayalakshmi, your maths teacher. Children, I hope you enjoyed finding the perimeter of shapes around you and at your house. So today, we are going to find something new related with it. Okay? So now I need to find out the space inside the garden which is rectangle in shape. This space inside the closed figure or in the garden or in the rectangle is called the area of the rectangle or area of the garden. So now, how do we find the area of this rectangle? Yes, we can find the area of this rectangle by covering this rectangle by small squares. We can call these small squares as unit squares. Let us see how many of these unit squares fill inside the rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we need 8 squares to fill the rectangle. So the area of the rectangle is equal to 8 square units. So area is the amount of surface a figure covers. Now let us measure this square given. Look at the smaller square. It is called a unit square. Let me cover the bigger square using the small squares. Now let us see how many of these unit square fit inside the big square. Let us count the unit squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the area of the bigger square is equal to 9 square units. What is the area of this figure? Now let us also measure the area of this figure using the unit square. Now count the number of unit squares inside the figure. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 squares, and the area of this figure is equal to 20 square units. Now what is the area of this figure? We can do in the same manner. Let us count the number of squares. So the area of the figure is equal to 25 square units. Now let us see what is the unit of area. Let us consider the given square. This is a 1 centimeter square. Each side is 1 centimeter long. So we can say that the area is 1 square centimeter. So the square centimeter is a unit for measuring area and it is used to measure small areas. For example, a square of side 2 centimeter is made up of 4 1 centimeter square. So its area is 4 square centimeter. We also use half square units to measure the area. Consider the given figure here. We can see that there are 6 squares and 4 triangles. Now, one square is considered as 1 square unit and a triangle is considered as half square unit. Also, 2 triangles is equal to 1 square and it is measured as 1 square unit. Now, there are 4 triangles and so we have 2 square units. Therefore, the area of the figure is 8 square units. Now let us see one more example. In the given figure, we can see there are 3 square units and 2 half square units. So 2 half square units is equal to 1 square unit. And so the area of the figure is 4 square units. Now area of irregular shapes. Irregular shapes are the polygons with sides of varying lengths. Now let us see the area of some irregular shapes. How do we find the area of such shapes? You can find its approximate area by placing it on a centimeter square grid. First, we have to count the number of squares within the shape as follows. count the whole squares. Then count the squares that are half or more than half within the shape. Count those squares as full squares. Now, do not count the squares that are less than half within the shape. Now add all the squares and we get the approximate area of the figure. Here the area of the irregular figure is equal to the number of full squares plus the number of more than half squares, that is equal to 11 full squares plus 7 more than half squares. So that is equal to 18 square centimeter. That was wonderful, isn't it, children? You have learned how to find the area of closed shapes. So try to find out the areas of shapes where you have found the perimeter, isn't it, children? So find out the areas of such figures and you will find it very interesting. So children, try to find the areas of closed shapes around you and at your house. Okay? So go through the YouTube video, write down the notes and also answer the questions which I have given. See you again in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Stay safe and stay healthy.